You're breaking stuff, dude. He's breaking stuff for real. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
I want to see the box. Open the jar.
Wow. Man? You're breaking stuff. You're breaking stuff, dude. Dude, he's breaking stuff for real.
One time I don't have my damn setup.
Are you cooking them a little or are you just warming them up? I can smell it.
The voltage, because I only got an 80 amp hour bank of 38Ks. So
oh, okay.
Wow. It dropping pretty low. So
yeah. So go for it, man. Your name, what's in here? Go. Okay. So what else in here, man?
I got 6 99 DD12s in here.
Okay.
And 3 8Ks, 3 bars digital.
Wow.
On a ZVL.
That's a big, thick baffle.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Did you build this?
Drew Jones designed it and I built it. Yes, sir.
What vehicle to fit this much box space? Wow.
Yeah, man.
What vehicle is this?
This is a GMC Acadia.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Man. So how do you have your subs wired to the amps?
So I got them on I got an amp on each set, and it's at a it's at a 1-arm each.
Okay.
Yes,
wow. And the port is it?
Facing the back of the trunk.
Airport, slot, octo.
It's just a slot across.
Okay. And do you know size of the box, tuning, SPL?
So it's for musical, and the tuning is around 30 hertz.
Okay.
And I forget the keys on the box.
It's all right.
I got it all in the airport.
It's all good.
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. Sorry for the questions.
Just never this is crazy. I'm watching videos a lot.
Thanks for watching, man. All right.
Yeah, man.
You're actually like, what is this?
Yeah, that's the light.
All right. You broke your whole back area. Really? It was really crazy?
Yeah, I was doing high 60s with it.
Really? Alright.
We got a lot of coke, we got weed, that's a lot of smoke. Yeah, that's a lot of hope. Yeah, we got a lot of dope. Okay, we got a lot of dope. We got a lot of hope. We got a lot of
subscribe for new builds every week and use discount code JacobViral